So update on the Lincoln MKC, the 15, where the rear hatch wouldn't open. You know, the pinpoint test ran me to checking connections between the module connector and basically what comes through this harness goes through here, comes down, goes through here. The connector for the rear liftgate motor right here, that goes up in this corner and comes back out, and then this is the motor right here. Everything is functioning beautifully. It was not the motor. The pinpoint test led me to believe that it was the motor, but it wasn't. But the motor did have to be replaced. It was really lazy. Even when everything was working good, he said that what ended up happening is this motor was like, it would struggle to open this thing. A lot of times it has to do with the motor itself and the opposite side shock. They have to work together. If that shock has failed and it leaves everything on the motor, it will wear the motor out. So if you do a motor, you need to do a rear shock as well. Or if your motor's still functioning fine, but it's starting to struggle a little bit, replace the shock. And that will help that motor, and it will stop wearing it so much. But anyway, it brought me from the pins here to the pins in this connector here. And it wanted me to check everything. And once all that checked out, it said you need a motor. Well, I put the motor in it, and it didn't fix anything. I go back and I'm running my self-test on my computer. It's not giving me any error codes or anything, but it's saying the RGTM failed. When I switched over to a live network test, the RGTM was green, but every once in a while it would drop out while all the other modules stayed online. So I knew something was wrong with the RGTM module, the liftgate module. So what I ended up doing is I ordered a new liftgate module. They're fairly cheap. The part number for this liftgate module is EJ7Z 14 Bravo 291 Hotel. I just basically plug and play, put it in, plugged everything back in, went over to the module, programmable module installation through the computer, downloaded all the data, ran it through a self-check, everything opened, everything closed, and now everything is functioning exactly like it's supposed to. Let me show you real quick. But it was weird because the module wouldn't give me an error code to diagnose it off of. So we're good. 2015 Lincoln MKC, rear liftgate hatch not opening, fixed. Thank you guys, be blessed. Thank you for being a part of the channel. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more good content. I've got plenty more coming, trust me.